बेम प्रोजेक्ट बरी इमराना फारूक की जानिब से मलका बरतानिया के प्लाटिनम जुबली के मौके पर रंगारंग तकरीब का इनेकाद किया गया। तकरीब में मेयर ऑफ बरी शाहीना हारून, राजा हारून, तैमूर तारिक, MP, काउंसलर, चेयरमैन 49 नेटवर्क मियां आमिर अली, ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर हुमेरा सन्ना, सैयद रिजवान हाशमी, असरा काजी और दीगर मोअज़्ज़ज़ शख्सियात की शिरकत। समाजी खिदमात को सराहते हुए काउंसलर्स आयशा आरिफ और दीगर अफराद में तारीफी असनाद की तकसीम। मजीद देखते हैं मियां आमिर अली की इस खुसूसी रिपोर्ट में।
The BAM project organized a celebration gala dinner under the supervision of Imrana Farooq in the honor of Her Majesty Platinum Jubilee. It was very well organized program in which the Mayor of Bury, Shahina Haroon, MPs, councillors, businessmen, political activists, social activists and local community participated.
A role model to us all. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem.
In the end of the program, Osman Farooqi rocked the event and performed very well with Marcus Nissar. Here we spoke a few people and they said that
Fantastic, thank you so much for coming today. And it was the celebration of the Queen's Jubilee, Platinum Jubilee, and it was from the BAME project, BAME standing for Believe, Achieve, Maintain, Exceed, and it was an opportunity to get the community together and celebrate the Queen's Jubilee.
It's been a great event tonight.
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. Imrana always showcases her talent by providing such great food and entertainment in a fantastic location, so well done.
बेम प्रोजेक्ट की तरफ से इस मौका पर तमाम लोग जो इधर इकट्ठे हुए हैं क्वीन की प्लैटिनम जुबली को मनाने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। रंगारंग तकरीबात पेश की गई हैं लोगों को खुश करने के लिए।
My best wishes to our Queen for the Jubilee. It's how many decades and she's still going very strong. So
I'm going to be performing all your favourite Bollywood,
old Bollywood, new Bollywood,
and English songs as well.
Thank you for inviting Chelsea Street Food to this fabulous event. It's been a great event and we've got some great entertainment. Looking forward to being part of it all.
I'm Councillor Gavin McGill. I'm here as celebrating the Queen's Platinum Jubilee again. Just saying about the Queen's work ethic she puts in. She's older. Just an example to everyone. Absolutely fantastic person.
I'm the leader of Bury Council. We've had the pleasure of having the Queen visit our borough on a number of occasions, and what we wanted to celebrate tonight was that amazing dedication over 70 years of service.
I'm Councillor Richard Gold, Cabinet Member for Finance and Communities, and I think that we're here today and the turnout today and what Councillor Farooq has done with the BAME project today, it just shows the appreciation of all the hard work that the Queen has done over the last 70 years.
Hi, so I'm Gemma Goss from FGRS Community Hub. I suppose my message to the Queen is just congratulations, and you know, she's done a fantastic job.
yes please.
I'm Shoda Matthews from FGRS Community Hub and just want to thank the Queen for her glorious reign and her service to our country. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Evelyn Holt and I'd like to send best wishes to the Queen.
Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Raja Haroon Khan. We are celebrating Queen Platinum Jubilee. We are very happy to attend this program and we wish you good luck to her. Thank you.
My name is Trevor Holt and I would like to say to the Queen, thank her for 70 years, which is unprecedented. She's an inspiration to us all, a remarkable woman. Yeah, this is Rizwan Hashmi from Manchester, and wish you all the best and a long, healthy, wealthy life to the Queen. Thank you so much.
Watching TV49 News, A1 Aaj News, Mia Amir Ali, Manchester, UK. Thank you.